Now, I want to show you how you can earn at least 900,000 to 2 million naira every year when you own 1 acre at Hacienda. Now, 1 acre at Hacienda, currently costs around 9 million naira. And like I said before, it covers the cost of your land, cost of your deed, cost of your survey, cost of development, cost of setting up the farm, and cost of farm management for 1 year, right? Now, for the 1 acre, there's a standard 7% discount that comes with buying 1 acre. So instead of paying paying 9 million naira, you end up paying 8,370,000 naira. On 1 plot of land, we will plant around 120 bunches, 120 suckers of plantain. Now, multiply that by 6, which is 1 acre, that gives you 720 suckers of plantain planted on your land. Now, upon harvest, we expect that, we might lose 30% due to whatever reason, insects, wind, different mishaps. So we have removed 30% for mishap, which gives us 504 bunches upon harvest. Now, the price per bunch we expect to sell for at least 2,300 naira or at most 5,000 naira. Now, if you sell for 2,300 naira, multiply that by your 504 bunches, that gives you about 1,159,200 or at most 2,520,000. Now, if you take out management costs, which is cost of managing your farm, every year, so every revenue you get, we take out 20%, so that you don't have to pay anything again, after you've paid for the land. Take out 20%, around 231,000 or 504,000, depending on the price that it is sold at. That gives us the net income. Now, the net income is what you take home, what is going to be in your pocket. Here, you take out the management cost from the gross income, you have 927,360, minimum, or you get as much as 2,076,000. Now, what this means is that your ROI is between 11% and 24% for 1 acre. So if you are a Nigerian in Nigeria, maybe Nigerian in diaspora, Australia, UK, Canada, wherever you are, you can key into this offer. So now, not only will you be benefiting from the regular income that comes from the sale of your plantain bunches, you are also going to be benefiting from the capital appreciation of the land. Now, over the next 10 years, we expect the land at Hacienda within Hacienda should appreciate by over 600%. And you will see why we said that, when you download the product brochure, you will see how we arrived at that. Now, this appreciation is due to the fact that the location for Hacienda, which is in Ibadan, is a place that is, is ripe for appreciation. I mean, there's the train station, there is the NIT, there is the Little Business District, and a lot of other government projects coming up there. It just makes sense. It's just obvious what's going to happen in that place. All you have to do is click on the link below and get access to the information, and then we are going to get someone to call you and speak to you, and then we know which decision you want to make.